Master the mystery of past perfect continuous tense. Hello everyone. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today, we are going to unravel the mystery of the past perfect continuous tense. This is one of the advanced tenses in English that can significantly enhance your language skills once you master it. So, let's dive right in. The past perfect continuous tense is used to indicate an action that began in the past and continued up until another time in the past. It combines the past perfect tense and the continuous aspect. It's typically formed using the words had been plus the present participle of the verb plus ing. Here is a simple example. I had been reading a book for 2 hours before I went to bed. We use the past perfect continuous tense to 1. Show that an action or event in the past continued for a length of time up until another event occurred. 2. Describe a situation that was ongoing in the past and the result or effect of that situation. Remember, the point in the past until which the action was ongoing is usually specified. To form the past perfect continuous tense, we use subject plus had been plus present participle, verb plus ing, plus time frame. For example, they had been playing soccer all afternoon before it started to rain. The negative form is created by adding not between had and been. For example, I had not been feeling well for several days. For the question form, had precedes the subject. For example, had you been studying all night? A common mistake is using this tense when the simple past would be more appropriate. Remember, we use past perfect continuous when we want to emphasize the ongoing nature of an action before another event in the past. Incorrect. I had been went to the store. Correct. I had been going to the store. Well, there you have it. That's the past perfect continuous tense in a nutshell. I hope this has made it a bit less intimidating for you. Remember, practice is key when mastering any new aspect of language learning. So keep practicing, keep speaking, and you'll get there in no time. Next time, we'll be exploring another interesting tense in English. Stay tuned for that, and until then, keep practicing, and happy learning.